back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we love you and we thank you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do an easy bun with chopsticks. So let's get started.
All products I use in this video are in the description box below. Okay, so what you're going to do is to take all her hair and bring it up. I'm going to go ahead and brush it. And this is really great if you're in a pinch, not having any kind of hair ties. And that's actually what happened the one night when we were out getting something to eat. Okay, so you take this, you hold it like a ponytail. Okay, so you take this chopstick, go underneath it, and all you're doing is just, as you're going underneath it, you're just going to go ahead and twist. So take this chopstick underneath the hair, take the hair up towards her face, take the chopstick pointer down and twist up to the top, and you're going to take this part here and wrap it around like this, and then wrap it again. You're going to keep wrapping it. Okay, keep wrapping it until you don't have any more to wrap. Okay. Now you're just going to take and spread this part here down, and you're going to take the point of that chopstick and insert it up on top of her head and bring it down towards her back and stick it right here where your thumb was, right here, right in front of the thumb. If you have another chopstick, you can go ahead and stick another chopstick right here, stick it right here, go down, insert it all the way to the other side of her hair. Right there. And that is the easiest way to do a bun with chopsticks. I'm going to take this out and show you one more time. Bring all her hair back, and if you don't have a brush, then just try to do the best you can with your fingers. Take the chopstick, go underneath the hair. You take the hair forward, take the chopstick and just twist it up like that. Take this hair and wrap it all the way around, and just gonna keep wrapping this hair all the way around until you have no more to wrap. So go ahead and keep wrapping and smoothing it out. Wrapping and smoothing it out. Okay, and just hide those little tails of those hair, and then take the point of that chopstick, insert it in the front top part of her head, and go ahead and bring it right through to the thumb. You'll feel it right here to the thumb. Then you take the other chopstick right on the other side. You insert it right here, and you point it down and insert it all the way to the other side of her hair. That's it. Gonna put a little hairspray just to tame those fly away, though if you don't have anything, you can always use water. And there you have it. This will hold all day long. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know your success and find our videos or parts you might be able to improve on. Also, click the notification right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now, this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, go over it there. We love you guys. Till next time,
learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys. Have a great week and God bless.